Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kislay Kumar. I am currently studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. My USN is 1VE23CS080. I am currently in third SEM and in section Bhaskara. So today's subject is DD&CO, Digital Design and Computer Organization. Subject code is BCS302. So today's topic is combinational circuits. So let's start with our topic. Combinational circuits. Designing a combinational circuit consists of 10 logical gates using carrots. Introduction. Combinational logic circuits are a special kind of non-memory digital logic circuits in which the output at any one time is determined only by the combination of the inputs. In contrast to sequential logical circuits, whose results rely on both the current inputs and the state of the circuit's previous results, providing them with memory. At any one moment in a combinational logical circuit, the outputs are exclusively determined by the logical function of the current input state, logic 0 or logic 1. Introduction. Consequently, due to the absence of feedback in combinational logic circuits, the outputs are instantly affected by any changes made to the input signals. The result of a combinational logic circuit is therefore always the product of its inputs. Consequently, in contrast to sequential circuits, combinational circuits can't store any information. Since combinational logic circuits lack memory, timing, and feedback loops by design, the final output will change if the state of any of its inputs transition from 0 to 1 or 1 to 0. Basics. So, this is a combinational logic circuit which consists of multiple inputs, which is A, B, C. This is combinational logic circuit, and these are X and Y are the one and more outputs. So these are the basics. A combinational circuit has n Boolean inputs. So these are the n Boolean inputs, one or more. M Boolean outputs. So these are the outputs, one or more. Logic gates mapping the inputs to the outputs. These are the logic gates mapping to the inputs to the outputs. Design procedure. First, specification. Write a specification for the circuit if one is not already available. Specify label input and output. Second, formulation. Derive a truth table or initial Boolean equations that define the required relationship between the inputs and outputs, if not the specification logic diagram for the resulting circuit using ANDs, ORs, and inverters. Third, optimization. Apply second level and multiple level optimization like Boolean Algebra, K-map software. Draw a logic diagram for the resulting circuit using ANDs, ORs, and inverters. Fourth, technology mapping. Map the logic diagram to the implementation technology selected. Example, map into NANDs or LORs. Fifth, verification. Verify the correctness of the final design manually or using simulation. Functions of combinational circuits. So, this is a combinational circuit which consists of many logical gates. These are the inputs. This is the output. These are the logical gates. NAND, NOR, and NOT gates are the building blocks of combinational logic circuits, which then combined or joined to produce more sophisticated switching circuits. They are the backbone of every combinational logic circuits. A decoder is a combinational circuit because it takes in binary information and outputs a series of lines, each of which represent that code in decimal form. The function of combinational logic circuit. NAND and NOR gates are referred to as universal gates because they may be used to form any combinational circuit from the simplest to the most complicated. There are typically three ways that the purpose of combinational logic circuit is stated. 8 to 20. A. Boolean algebra. This algebraic statement illustrates how the logic circuit produces a logic 1 in response to true or false input variables. B. Truth table. An explanation of how a logic gate works may be found in its truth table, which provides a compact rundown of all the possible true states the gates will produce in response to any given set of input variables. C. Logical diagram. This is a graphical representation of logic circuits showing the connection and cabling between the many logic gates, each of which is represented by its own visual symbol. Half adder. First specification 2 input XY, 2 output CS. Formulations. So this is the truth table. 0 0. If all the inputs are 0, then you got the outputs as 0. If 1 is 1, then you got 1. So similar like this. And this is the optimization circuit. And this is the full ladder. Yet this is the truth table of full ladder. A combinational circuit that adds three inputs bits to generate a sum bit and a carry bit. Truth table. This is the truth table. These are the uh, combinational circuit. Subtraction 2's complement. So this is the complement subtraction of 2 complement. This is the equation basically. Decoder. Information is represented by a binary codes. Decoding the conversion of an n-bit input code to an m-bit output code with n less than equal to m and m less than equal to 2n such that each valid code word produces a unique output code. Circuits that perform decoding are called decoders. A decoder is a min-term generator. So this is a decoder. So here we leads to the conclusion of our topic. Combinational logic is the use of several logic gates to perform a logical function on multiple input signals and produce a single output signal. Standard combinational circuits are made up of numerous logic gates to accomplish a single task, such as multiplexer, demultiplexer, encoders, decoders, full and half adders, etc. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you guys like my video. So hit the like and the subscribe button. And if you guys have any question related to DD&CO, please use Google. Don't use the comment section. Thank you.